My ONAN MQKBL, 7FA, Genset has shut down with fault code 45, speed sense lost. What is wrong and how do I proceed with repair?
Hi, I'm a moderator for this topic. I've been working hard to find a professional to assist you right away, but sometimes finding the right professional can take a little longer than expected. I wonder whether you're okay with continuing to wait for an answer. If you are, please let me know and I will continue my search. If not, feel free to let me know and I will cancel this question for you. Thank you.
Please keep trying. I need an answer by early next week.
Thank you for your patience. Your business is very important to us. We are waiting on the professional with the right expertise to come online. Feel free to let us know if you would like us to continue searching for a professional or if you would like us to close your question. Thank you for your understanding.
I have noticed that there is a typographical error in the model code for the generator. It should read MDKBL, rather than MQKBL. That may have caused the problem. Many thanks.
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer for the solution to your problem. My name is XXXXXXXXXX. I am going to assist you with this. What is the rest of the model number, exactly as it appears on the data label?
Thank you. The model is MDKBL 5,710,317.
Okay, on this set, the controller gets a speed sense signal from the stator, in the form of a frequency reading. To set this code, either the stator is bad, and not sending the signal at all, or the controller is bad. What you need to do is to disassemble the left end of the genset to access the controller, which is located directly behind the air intake screen. On the controller, there are 3 large plugs, black, gray and green. Remove the green connector from the controller. In the connector, locate the wires labeled P34, P35, P37 and P38. Set your meter to ohms, and place one lead to each of the pins that correspond to wires P34 and P35. It should read 1.7 to 1.8 ohms. Now place one lead to each of the pins that correspond to wires P37 and P38. It should read continuity. If either of these readings are out, the stator is bad and will need to be replaced. If both readings are good, the controller is bad and will need to be replaced. If it turns out to be the controller, remember that it must be programmed to your particular genset, it is not plug and play.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.